Hey, Emma here. Today I'm kind of alone, but that's okay because my mission is to give you a lot of English lessons today. Get ready. This lesson could change your life. First, listen carefully. English is not difficult. It's not impossible. You can speak English fluently and faster than you think. But I know many of you feel nervous. You try to speak, but then you stop. You freeze. You're scared of making mistakes. Some of you have been learning English for years. You read, you listen, you understand. But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. Don't worry, I get it. I've been there too, learning a new language and feeling stuck. You want to speak, but don't have the words. You hear people speak fast, and it feels like a storm in your brain. But here's the good news, you don't have to struggle anymore. From today, you'll learn English in a natural and easy way, not with grammar books, not with boring vocabulary lists, but by living English. So please, forget grammar rules, forget fear, forget being perfect. Because most people don't fail because they're bad at English. They fail because they're afraid. Let me ask you something. How did you learn your first language? Did you study grammar? Did you read 100 books? No, you listened, you copied, you made mistakes, you used the language. That's how you learn to speak, and that's how you'll learn English now. Step 1. Change your mindset. If you say English is hard, your brain will believe you and make it hard. But if you say English is easy, your brain will help you learn it faster. Think about a baby learning to walk. It falls 100 times, but it never gives up. One day, the baby walks easily. That's how you will learn to speak. Mistakes are good. If you don't make mistakes, you're not learning. Say this with me. English is easy, I can speak English. I'm learning every day. Never say my English is bad. Never say I can't speak English. Instead say, I'm learning and getting better every day. That one small change in your thinking can change your whole experience. Step 2, surround yourself with English. You don't need to move to an English-speaking country. You can create your own English world at home. Start with small things. Change your phone's language to English. Follow English pages on Instagram or YouTube. Listen to English songs, even if you don't understand everything. Watch shows with subtitles, and think in English. Right now, maybe you think in your own language and then translate. That's slow and confusing. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. Start small. When you wake up, think, I will brush my teeth, I am making tea. The weather is nice today. It will feel strange at first. But after a few days, it gets easier. Soon, English will come to you automatically. Another great idea is to talk to yourself. Yes, really. Stand in front of a mirror and say, hello, how are you today? I am good. I have a lot of work, but I feel great. It may feel funny at first, but trust me, this is one of the best ways to get better. When you talk to yourself, you're not afraid of mistakes. You just speak. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Another simple trick is to label things in your house. Take paper, write the names of things in English. Stick the labels to your door, your mirror, your table, your fridge. Now, every time you see those things, read them out loud. For example, this is a book, the book is on the table, this is a cup, I drink tea. Another great idea is to talk to yourself. Yes, really. Stand in front of a mirror and say, hello, how are you today? I am good. I have a lot of work, but I feel great. It may feel funny at first, but trust me, this is one of the best ways to get better. When you talk to yourself, you're not afraid of mistakes. You just speak. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Another simple trick is to label things in your house. Take paper, write the names of things in English. Stick the labels to your door, your mirror, your table, your fridge. Now, every time you see those things, read them out loud. For example, this is a book. The book is on the table. This is a cup. I drink tea from this cup. This helps your brain connect English words to real objects. It's simple and powerful. Step 3, forget about grammar. Many people believe they must study grammar first. That is a big mistake. If you think too much about grammar, you will be afraid to speak. Children don't study grammar rules first. They listen, they copy, they speak, and slowly, their grammar improves. That's what you should do. Don't try to memorize grammar rules. Learn simple, real sentences, like, I am eating, she is going to the market, they are playing football. Repeat these again and again. Say them out loud. Copy native speakers. Grammar will come naturally. Now let's talk about how to use English in your daily life. Many learners don't know what to say or how to start. But here's a secret. You already know what to say. You just need to practice. Think about your day. You wake up, you brush your teeth, you eat, you go out, you talk to people. All of this can be in English. Let's practice together. When you wake up, say, "Good morning. I feel good today. I slept well. I will brush my teeth. I am making breakfast. This tea smells good. I am eating toast with butter." Even if you are alone, say these things out loud. The more you say, the more natural it feels. Now, let's imagine a simple conversation. You're talking to your mom. You say, "Good morning, Mom." She says, "Good morning. Did you sleep well?" You, "Yes. What are you making for breakfast?" Mom, "Eggs and toast. Want some tea?" You, "Yes, please." Simple, right? That's how you practice. Next, imagine you go shopping. You say, "I need to buy vegetables. Let me check my shopping list. I will take the bus to the market." In the shop, "Excuse me, do you have fresh tomatoes?" Shopkeeper, "Yes, here they are." You, "How much for 1 kilo?" Shopkeeper, $2 per kilo. You, "Okay, I will take 2 kilos. Also, I need some onions." Shopkeeper, "Here you go. That will be $5. You, "Here's the money. Thank you." Shopkeeper, "Thank you. Have a nice day." These are real-life conversations. You can practice them every day. Let's go even deeper now. Many people ask me, "Emma, how can I sound more natural in English?" The answer is simple. Listen, copy, and speak. This method works better than reading a grammar book. For example, listen to a native speaker say, "I'm going to the store," and then repeat it. Not just once. Say it 5 times. Try to sound the same. Focus on how they say it, the tone, the rhythm, the pronunciation. Do this with every new sentence you hear. Watch a short video, pause it, repeat it, copy it. This is how you sound natural. Let's practice right now. Say this with me. I'm going to the store. Again, I am going to the store. One more time. I am going to the store. Great. Now try this one. I don't know where my keys are. And now, can you help me find them? These are normal real-life phrases. You will use them more often than complex grammar rules. Another great way to learn is by using English in fun activities. Do you like cooking? Try reading recipes in English. Watch cooking shows in English. Say the ingredients out loud. Flour, sugar, eggs, milk. While you cook, speak English. Now I am mixing the batter. The oven is hot. I love chocolate cake. That's real language learning. Do you like music? Listen to English songs, read the lyrics, sing along. Even if you sing badly, don't worry, I do too. Try to understand the words, pause the song, repeat the lines. For example, sing, "I'm walking on sunshine," or "Don't stop believing." It's fun, and it helps your brain remember English better. Also, try watching your favorite movies or cartoons in English. Start with subtitles. Then watch again without them. Repeat funny or useful lines. For example, from a movie, "I'll be right back," or "You can do it." Use these phrases in your day. It makes English fun and easy. Now, let's talk about confidence. Many people understand English, but they are afraid to speak. Why? Because of fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of being laughed at, fear of not sounding good. But guess what? Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. So please, don't be afraid. Speak anyway. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to try. Remember this: confidence comes from doing, not from waiting. Speak every day, even if it's only for 5 minutes. Talk about what you are doing. Talk about how you feel. Say, "I'm tired today." "I feel happy." "I have a lot of work." "I'm going outside now." The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. And here's a little trick: the 3-second rule. When someone asks you a question, don't wait too long. Don't worry about saying the perfect thing. Count 1, 2, 3. And speak. Just say something. For example, if your friend asks, "What did you do yesterday?" Don't overthink it. Say, "I went to the park," or "I watched a movie," or even, "I stayed home and relaxed." That's it. You are speaking English. And if you forget a word, no problem. Use a different word. Say it in a simple way. Instead of "I lost my keys," say, "I don't have my keys. I can't find them." Same idea, simple words, big success. Let's make a daily plan together. Morning, when you wake up, name everything you see. Bed, pillow, window, light. Speak it out loud. Afternoon, make short sentences in your head. I am hungry. I will go outside. My friend is calling me. Evening, Watch a short English video, repeat what they say, pause and practice. Night. Talk to yourself for 5 minutes in English. Today I worked a lot. Tomorrow will be better. Now I will go to sleep. Repeat this every day, and in just a few weeks, you will see a big change. Finally, I want to remind you of something very important. You are amazing. You are trying. You are learning. And that's more important than being perfect. Some days will be hard. Some days you will feel tired. That's okay. Just don't give up. Keep going. You are not alone. I am here with you. English is your new superpower. It will help you grow. It will open new doors. It will give you freedom. And I believe in you. Let's keep going together. You've got this.